Letter M sound. The sound for the letter M is M, as in mug. Let's look at the following pictures and say the words that start with the letter M. Moon. M says M. Double O says Oo. N says N. Ma. Oo. N. Moon. Monkey. M says Ma. O says O. N says N. K says Ka. EY says E. Monkey. Map. M says M. A says A. P says P. Map. This is monster. M. O. N. S says S. T says T. St. ER says R. Monster. Monster. M says M. I says E. L says L. K says K. Milk. This is a mountain. M says M. OU says Ow. N says N. T says T. AI says A. N says N. Mountain. Moon. Monkey. Map. Monster. Milk. Mountain. M double O N. Moon. MON KEY. MON. Mon. KEY. Key. MAP. Map. MON. Mon. ST. Stir. ER says R. Monster. M says M. I says E. L says L. K says K. Milk. M says Ma. OU says Ow. N says N. Mound. T says T. AI says A. N says N. 10. Mountain.